Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Backup settings or create a restore point so you can revert if needed. Once done, decide your visual goal, minimal, compact, or colorful, and pick a consistent icon size and view mode. Now open File Explorer options and enable the Preview and Details panes to get immediate context for files. This helps you see results as you adjust. Make sure to apply changes stepwise so you can evaluate each tweak before moving on. Next, refine layout and icons to match that visual goal. You should switch views, details, list, tiles, or icons, and use 1/2 to 2x scaling to balance density and readability. Then change folder icons or apply a custom folder template for consistent visual cues and replace generic thumbnails where needed. Also enable dark mode or set an accent color to reduce glare and improve contrast. Finally, tweak font sizes so labels sit comfortably without truncation. Finally, polish and automate routine improvements. You should apply a custom theme, add toolbar shortcuts, and pin frequently used folders for fast access. Use small automation scripts or a reliable third-party tool for advanced tweaks like precise spacing or global icon packs. Just keep backups. If something goes wrong, like icons resetting or corrupted thumbnails, rebuild the icon cache or restore your backed up settings. That single troubleshooting step fixes most visual regressions and gets you back to a stable layout.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.